This is my finished mashed potato. Good morning. Welcome back to Nettie's Amazing House. Today, it's Sunday morning, and I decided I'm just gonna jerk some pork belly. Not for me, for my young men. I don't eat pork anymore. Hopefully I'll stick with it. But I'll be jerking some pork belly. This is what I'm working with this morning. I'm gonna have to slice this pork belly. Sometimes when you buy this, they'll slice it for you, and next minute they won't slice it. So I'm gonna slice it, season it, and I'll be jerking it in my toaster oven. I'll add some of this ginger garlic paste. Especially when I'm doing pork, I like adding the ginger garlic paste in my pork. All purpose. Just eyeball the season. Garlic powder. And in this bottle is Vegeta. When you jerk pork, if I have enough spice and season accent. Put whatever season you like to your tasting anyways, but you know, we Caribbean, we love our all kind of different spices. And this is seasoning salt, paprika, remember to comment and subscribe to Nettie's Amazing House. There's amazing thing going on over here. Amazing. And guys, don't forget to put God first place in your life. He's an amazing God. Keep him first place always. Black pepper. And yes, I run out of regular the regular soy sauce there, so I'll be using a little sweet soy sauce. Balance up the spice. It now gonna make it sweet. The soy sauce doesn't really make your food sweet. It just give it a balance between the salt and the other spices. And this is my little mix-up jerk spice in this bottle. Probably show it to you already in our previous video. So we're gonna spice it up. Comment and let me know how you guys love to do your pork belly, because I'm not really a fan of, I don't even eat pork. Before, when I was used to eat pork, wasn't a fan of pork belly. I don't like too much fat. Too much fat, and a little bit of salt. If it needs more pepper, later on when it is cooking, I'll add more pepper. But for now, that's the pepper I use, the bottle. Yeah. And I'm seasoning, and I'm gonna leave this to marinate for about an hour. My oven is warming. So now I'm gonna, this is my pork belly. I add, remember I said I was going to add some scallion. You see my pork belly all seasoned. Hope you can see it. I had scallion Yep, and also I had a little bit, a tip of apple cider vinegar. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it, I'm gonna cook it, guys, right there in my toaster oven. Oh, I was gonna cover it, but I decided not to. I'm gonna put it on air fry. Yes, my toaster oven do have air fry. And whenever you air fry in this toaster oven, it makes your meat or whatever you're air frying come out real tender. I hope you can see the air fry. So I'm gonna put it on air fry. Well, I put it on air fry, so I'm gonna air fry this for about maybe an hour. And now I'm getting my mashed potatoes. See, I cut up some potato, and instead of boiling my potato, I'll be steaming my potato. When you're making mashed potatoes, steam your potatoes because it absorbs less water. And you don't want your potato, your mashed potato, the potato to be soft with so much water. So I'm gonna steam it. Yeah, we don't want our potato to absorb too much water. So instead of boiling, I'm steaming. So I put my steamer in. Now I'll add my, you see that? I dumped the potato just sliding like it is so eager to get steamed. I've never seen this before. So meanwhile my my potato steaming, my pork in the oven, I'll be sauteing the cabbage to mix with my mashed potato. Mama, you know I love you. Yes, my mama, I love you. Mama, mama, you're the beat of my heart. Could just find my garlic crusher. Here it is. So I'm gonna add some garlic to some butter. Really, didn't want you to get in there like that. I want my garlic. What the heck? Why is this? Okay, my garlic crusher is not. What's wrong with this garlic crusher? There you go. See? Throw a bit of negotiating with this garlic crusher. Finally. Okay. Garlic. See, you have to negotiate and talk with your utensils and equipment sometimes. Because sometimes them decide say them not gonna do what you're asking. So now I'm gonna add my cabbage with a bit of onion. Can you see that? Yep. I need my pepper, a little bit of pepper, not too much. So we want this thing to taste good no matter what. A little salt. And of course, my Vegeta. small piece more butter. Yep. Mama, Mama, you know I love you. Mama, yes, my sweet mama, I love you. Mama, you're the beat of my heart. So, here it is. Can you see my cabbage? Oh, Lord. This lighting, yeah. I'm gonna mash it with my mashed potatoes. Just a tip of cayenne pepper, not too much. Just a bit of cayenne, just to give it a kick. I'm gonna mash my potatoes. I'll add a piece of butter. Milk. Yeah, I should have warmed my butter in my milk, eh? But your girl know how to be versatile. And here's my cabbage. My cabbage, I'll add it. This is my sauteed cabbage. As a matter of fact, steamed cabbage. Add into my potato. And I'll mash this bad boy together. Not too much butter, because just butter the dish a bit. And my mashed potato in the baking dish. And here it is, a little bit of cheese on the top. Not too much cheese, just then I'm gonna put it in the oven. Cover it a little. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Let me hear what you think. Try this dish. So I'm gonna put it in the oven at 375 for about 10 minutes until the cheese melts at the top. So this is my pork belly midway. It's not finished yet. It's just probably halfway. I'm gonna throw off the sauce that it make, the gravy, or the juice I should say, and use that juice to make gravy. Yeah, let me see if I can show you. See that juice inside? See that juice? Yep, I'm gonna use that juice to make gravy. So the gravy for my jerk pork belly, remember I said I was gonna take the juice from the gravy, so I'm gonna use it now, the juice from the pork belly, so I'm gonna use it now to make gravy. So I put it on. I have some cornstarch. I'm gonna add a bit of ketchup, a bit of brown sugar, the sugar bag open. Mali, come say hi to my peeps.
Say hi. Wagwan.
Them not see you.
Oh, I wasn't trying to be all up in my face.
Pepper. So I had a brown sugar, pepper, butter. I wish you could see it much better. There it is. It's come to a boil. Now I'm gonna add my cornstarch. Turn on the fire a bit. Just to thicken it, give it a little thickening. And now I'm gonna leave it to simmer for a few minutes. From my amazing house to yours, one love. Delicious pork belly jerk with rice, mashed potato, steamed broccoli.